If you remember from my Queen Ant update number 1, you'd know I had a Formica queen. I actually had 3, but I only recorded one of them. In the video, the queen had small larvae, but 2 weeks have passed. Since then, the larvae have pupated and enclosed. Now the queen has workers. When the workers hatched, I immediately fed them. The workers' exoskeletons were still hardening, so only the queen was interested in the honey. She went and drank the honey in no time. The queen was very happy she could have her first meal in months. The other Formica queen was less fortunate. That is because she retained her wings after mating, so she was less efficient in producing workers. This is because after mating, wings become a huge burden, as moving around in claustral chambers becomes difficult. The queen currently has 2 workers. I am sure she'll start to produce eggs more efficiently after diapause, which is fancy talk for ant hibernation. For any ant keepers, I would recommend raising Formica. In temperate regions, by the way, that's how you pronounce my name, Formica fly around early August. I am just another ant keeper. Good luck on your ant keeping journey.